continue to grow gradually because I know what I wanted and what I came about, what I really did.
How did that link come with you and Jackie with one of my songs? Run come? Yo, with that,
No, well, when we just got the evidence, that time I meet Jackie and Jackie was much like younger. You know, a much younger virgin for me. Because I'm a couple of years younger than me still, you know.
Jamie, so your favorite song? Like, you know, Jamie is now, you know, as an artist, I can say, no, this is my favorite song. What's your favorite song where you sing, where you say?
My favorite song? Bob Marley, man, one love, man, one heart.
Yeah, that good, yeah, but
no, I'm not sing it yet.
No, man.
No, that means I don't know.
Yeah, which song you say, yo, that song I'm
one of my favorite
yeah,
songs.
yeah, I have to sing every
I'm not sing it yet. Soon don't write it. Yeah.
So we sang people asking mainly for when you're up on a stage show.